Hey everybody, meteorologist Mike Griffith here for Carolina Weather Authority. It's 2:38 p.m. on Sunday, June 7th, 2020. Hope everybody having a great weekend so far. We have been hot and sticky here in the Carolinas, but that's about to change gradually this coming week, and especially in the next weekend. We have a couple of articles over here, some goodies that are posted up, so make sure you go over to these and take a look at them because when you go over to our site and look at our articles, it definitely benefits us. We have three recent articles up here right now, so head over to our website and our blog and just make sure you read these or share these with your friends because it really, really helps us out big time. Also, we have this models page here that we created over the last year or so, and it really has a lot to do with the current conditions and situations. So make sure you definitely come over here and check this out as well. Get my screencast recorder in the right spot so that you can actually see what's going on over here. So let's see. What do we have? We have Cristobal in the in the Gulf right now. This is just going to be a 50-mile-per-hour tropical storm making landfall near New Orleans tonight, and it's going to head up into Canada like this, and it will eventually make a right hook and come over here. But what this will do in turn is allow a lot of cooler air to come down into the mid-Atlantic, into the Carolinas next weekend. So this system right here is actually going to alter our jet stream pattern. It's going to have an effect on us because it's going to drop a boundary, a cold front through here eventually as he moves up and recurves this way. We see this in the northern Pacific a lot, and it actually affects our fall and winter months. But this is more like a smaller scale feature of what's happening right there. Let's see, what other type of good stuff do we have going on right now? We can take a look at the current satellite. And here in the Carolinas, it's half cloudy, half blue sky. Any clouds that you see out there right now are coming from Tropical Storm Cristobal. Getting ready to have his eye on the Baton Rouge, eastern New Orleans area. And all our clouds that we're seeing right now are from him. So what are we going to be looking at as far as the models go and the rain for this coming week? You know, are we going to be able to go to the pool? Are we going to be able to chill outside? Are we going to be able to hang? Pretty much is what the question is. So, being as unprepared as I am for this, we're going to go ahead and advance the GFS. This is going to be tonight into later tonight into early morning Monday. Cristobal makes landfall and then starts to become a post-tropical system, depression actually, and then post-tropical as he moves off up into Canada. There could be some showers and storms around our area here in the Carolinas tomorrow night, Monday evening, as a result of all the moisture being pulled up from the Gulf. But then some of those storms we might have to watch because they might be on the severe side, especially here into South Carolina, Western North Carolina. We might have to watch this area in here on Monday evening because there was tornadoes around Orlando yesterday. So this is the same flank of energy that's going to be moving through the Eastern Carolinas. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that as we head into Monday evening and into Monday into Monday evening. Tuesday, looks like there's still more showers around. Gulf moisture, humid, sticky air continues into Tuesday and Wednesday also. And then look at this. We start to have a little bit of a boundary move through. This is going to be a cold front, and this is going to start to cool us off gradually as the week goes on. We're looking at Wednesday right here during the day. Could be some decent storms with this as well. So our severe threat is not going to be over this week. And then once this system moves through, it kind of gets hung up on the coast, bringing more showers and storms there Thursday into Friday. But then once we get into the weekend, this coming weekend, we're looking at another boundary that moves through another cold front, and then we're going to cool off pretty significantly here. So let's look at the actual temperature trends. And here comes the cooler air. This is going to be next weekend. This is going to This is what we were talking about in the articles, and it looks like it's going to continue at least through middle of next week. Might start to modify, the air mask might start to modify by Wednesday or so. And then we're back in the summer late next week. Nothing too crazy. Looks like another tropical system down there tries to come up just west of Florida and come into the Florida Panhandle. I'm a little bit too early for that. We're going to have to keep an eye on that. It's an active tropical season, and that's basically the big story as we go through this coming week. Everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure that you go over to our YouTube channel here. If you're already on it, hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Like this video. Please show our channel some love. Share it with your family and friends, because we're trying to make this more into like a TV station format. And we'll leave you with the IR satellite image of Cristobal down there in the Gulf and our week ahead forecast, which we have most gladly dispersed out to you. Also, we run special subscriptions for subscribers. $5.50 a month gets you a weekly newsletter sent to your personal email inbox, prepared by one of our meteorologists. And we already have our awesome outlook out for the summer and for hurricane season. So you will get that if you sign up now within the next week or so. We'll include that. This is just a great way to actually have an inside look at our professional services for your personal needs and desire to understand what's going on a little bit more in depth. Everybody, thank you so much. Got to run. Have a great Sunday and a great start to your week.